This is a famous place in Middlebury, Rise and Roll Bakery Deli, and we just it's an Amish bakery that they say it's called, what kind of is it? Crack?
Amish crack.
Amish crack.
Well, that's what this RVer told us. Oh, look at them tying their horses up.
Yeah.
They're coming to the bakery.
Isn't that something?
That's so cute.
Okay, we're going to the factory. We ate at Eiseldorf. What's it called?
Essenhaus.
Essenhaus. Oh, Amish. I had 4 pieces of fried chicken. Look down there.
US 20.
They just all over here. So, pick up the motorhome. And hopefully it'll be ready. They've called us and said that they had a couple more things to do.
Turn left on County Road 22. Then take the first left.
I don't think I got it.
3 of them, 3 buggies in a row.
Yeah.
Well, shoot.
They're at the traffic light.
They got the top down.
And the top, yeah, they're in a farm wagon and it's raining.
Well, there was a couple of them a while ago riding in.
Shucks, there goes another one.
Here we go.
They're so cute.
They got the umbrellas in the back with a cooler.
Jeez, doing a Yui.
Yep.
And so this is where you're gonna go left and where the dump station is, I think.
I don't know, but I have a feeling that we go all the way down. Just filming all these completed units in the Jayco. In fact, these are the ones that go into production. They build on the chassis on the left.
Mm-hmm.
See them? But look at this.
Super C's.
See at the stop sign, I believe we can take a ride. Look at that. That's my motorhome. No, it's not our tag, is it?
No.
That's somebody else. The same thing, though, isn't it? It is the Ohio River.
Yeah. I guess we're headed to Charleston, West Virginia.
Look at this green bridge. This bridge. Yeah, here's the West Virginia state line.
Yep.
Man.
Welcome to West Virginia. Shoot, I don't know if it got it. If it
Was it Brad recording?
It is. I don't know if the thing was pointed up. I hit recenter, but anyways.
Oh well.
Yeah.
They want it, man. Mega's 370.
Maybe we want it.
I checked them. But the date, when was the draw on Friday night?
2 miles. Take a slight right turn to
I don't know. It's tonight, but
I thought it was tonight.
I don't know when it was during the week, Wednesday or something. Where was the Capitol now?
You will go across the bridges up here, and then on the right you'll see the town.
Oh.
Oh, come on, people.
All right. Charleston, West Virginia. Kind of crappy weather, but where's the dome? It's looking down the river.
Well, we gotta go across the bridge first. Let me get them over here.
Oh.
Stay in the second lane from right.
today, but we'll take a peek. Where are ya? There it is. And then another peek. There it is. Smoky Mountains, but of West Virginia. Yeah. We're hunting for a Cracker Barrel. So it's been a nice drive here though.
Well, it is July 3rd, Sunday, and we're in Beckley, West Virginia. Spent the night here last night. A little halfway home, been taking it kind of easy. Found us a spot over here to camp out. And it's about 10 till 7. There's a crowd already gathering over here, at least one car full of West Virginian waiting to go in and eat at Cracker Barrel. Cracker Barrel. So hopefully I can spin it around out of here without having to back up, because if we back up I have to take the car loose. Got in here pretty tight last night. Might be able to turn it sharp enough to not hit this curb, but so what? If I take the car loose, I'll take the car loose. And we should be getting home. Oh goodness, I forgot to not take my mirror thing off. Okay, we were in such a hurry. Well, it was pouring down rain when we left the factory, and so, well, it wasn't when we left. We left the next morning, but that afternoon when we took delivery of the motorhome, it was in the parking lot and it was pouring down rain, so I forgot to take off my little souvenir tag. Okay, looks like Miss Catherine's almost ready, so we'll go stand in line at this here Cracker Barrel and get ready to eat us a nice breakfast before we take off and go on back home. This tower almost off the ground last night. It wasn't too level. I had to jack it up. Look at you. You're almost recovered.
Cat drew again.